Good morning to all of you. Nitin Vashne, Assistant Professor in Sagar Institute of Research and Technology and Science in Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you if else statements in Python. So let's start. So, if and else, you are also using this keywords if and else in many other programming like C, C++, and Java. So, where two statements are compared with each other, so we can use if and else statements. These are called the logical conditions, which is going to satisfy our mathematical problems or any syntactic problems. Okay, so here we have some symbols. First is equals. How do you can define the equals? In previous slide I show you in operators that if a equals to b, so we can use double equals to, and not equals to, then you can use exclamation mark, then greater than or less than, and greater than or equals to, or less than or equals to. So you can remember all these logical operators for using the if and else statements. Okay. So you can see here a, we assigned a integer value a to 33 and b is 200. So I want to compare that who is the greater. So for doing this we can use if statement. Okay, if b is greater than a, then print b is greater than a. So what is our answer? Yes, b is greater than a. Now, Alif. The Alif keyword in is Python way of saying if the previous conditions was not true, then try this condition. Means in Python you doesn't having error that the item was not found or exceptions error. So it will be removed by using the alif command. So here a equals to 33, b equals to 33, and if b is greater than a, print b is greater than a, alif a is equals to b. So what is the answer is? Answer is a is equals to b. Okay. Now another statement is else keyword. So whenever you want to give condition, two different conditions, suppose if a is greater than b, then print a or print b is less than. So we can use else keyword here. So else keyword catches anything which isn't caught by the preceding conditions. So a is 200, b is 33. If b is greater than a, print b is greater than a. Alif a is equals to b, then it will be print a and b are equals, or last condition is else a is greater than b. So here our output is a is greater than b. Last two conditions, starting two conditions are become false, then last condition should be executed, and we have our output that is a is greater than b. AND operation. Okay, the AND keyword is a logical operator and used to combine the statement. Whenever you need to combine two different type of statement, you use AND operator. Okay, a equals to 200, b equals to 300, c equals to 500. Then check, if you want to check two different conditions on a single value, on a single instance, then you can use AND. If a is greater than b and c is greater than a, then print both conditions are true. So what is the output? Output is both conditions are true. As you can see that a contains 200 value and b contains 300 value. Obviously our first value is correct because 200 is greater than 33. Then another condition checked by c, that c is greater than a. Yes, obviously c contains 500 and it's greater than a, so both conditions are true. So here we can use our AND operator. OR condition, it's also a logical operator and it is also used to combine the conditional statements. Okay, OR means at least one conditions are true, and whenever we will talk about AND operator, both conditions are true if any one conditions are false, then the statement will become stop. But in our case, if any one conditions, in both conditions, any one conditions are getting satisfied, then it will be execute the output. So here a equals to 200, b equals to 33, c equals to 500, a greater than b or a is greater than c, print at least one of the condition is true. So what is the answer is, at least one condition is true. Okay, now move toward the nested if. Whenever we used loop inside the loop, then it is called the nested. Okay, you can whenever you used a statement inside the statement, that is called the nested statement. If you have if statement inside if statement, this is called the nested if statement. So here x equals to 41, if x is greater than 10, print above 10. If x is greater than 20, print and also above 20, else print but not above 20. So what is the condition? We can use a different conditions inside if. First if is here x is greater than 10, then inside that the condition if again used, and we have a else statement. So what is our answer is? Our answer is above 10 and also above 20. So what is the statement of x is? It's above 10 and it's above 20. Thank you. I hope you can easily understand if else in Python. So stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.